your way. How do you want it? You gonna back that thing up or should I push up on it? Temperature rising. Okay, let's go to the next level. Dance floor jam packed, hot as a tea kettle. I'm breaking down for you now, baby. It's simple. You be an info, I be an info. In the hotel or in the back of the rental, on the beach or the park, it's whatever you're into. I'm the love doctor. Sprung, I got you, baby. No problem. Get on top and give me a bounce around like a low rider. And vet when it comes to the shit. If you work up the sweat, you can play with a stick. Explain, baby, the best way I can. Well, I'm not in your hands. Cause I never put it down like this. Soon as I come through the door, she got me pulling on my zipper. It's like it's a race who can get undressed quicker. Isn't that ironic how ironic it is to watch them thongs? Have you thinking about that ass after I'm gone? You touch the right spot at the right time. Lights on, the lights out, she like it from behind. Duck dip, you see the way she whine. Hips in slow-mo and flow on the grind. She ain't stopping, homie, I ain't stopping. Triple wet with sweat, then it's on and popping. Campaign, bottle after bottle is gone. Girl, what we do? Girl, where we do? The things we do are just between me and you. Give it to me, baby, nice and slow, on top. I like it when a rodeo. You ain't never heard it sound like this before, cause I ain't never put it down like this. Soon as I come through the door, she got me pulling on my zipper. It's like it's a race who can get undressed quicker. Is it ironic how erotic it is to watch them thongs? Have me thinking about that ass after I'm gone and touch the right spot at the right time. Lights on, the lights out, you like it from behind. Hips in slow-mo and flow on the grind. Hips in slow-mo and flow on the grind. No, she ain't stopping, homie, I ain't stopping. Triple well with sweat, then it's on and popping. I'm a champagne campaign, bottle after bottle is gone. We gon' sip every bottle until every bottle is gone. Oh, goddamn, what's the sink? Oh, what's the sink? Bottles in the club cause we're drinking tonight. My voice cracked. Pop bottles in the club cause we're drinking tonight. We're drinking tonight. I don't know what that means. Like, I know what it literally means, but I don't know what it means in this context of me saying it. If you're wondering if I hate you, I do. Let me get loose. Go get goose if you don't get loose. Get up out the coop if you won't get loose. Situations at the bar, but they're coming right back to right on the right track. I want to go super fast, so I hit that dude walking across the street. Serial killer tendencies. That's out the way, dog. Okay, let's have some fun. I got 4 G's and 5 G's of fun. I ain't finna play anyways. I can hit the baddest bitches any day. Step with the best. I ain't got the flex. Got your girl scratched out, pulling up a dress. Looking at a spread and I am impressed. The G-string's wet in the middle of them wet. My bad, the G-strings are wet. Let me get loose. No Grey Goose if you won't get loose. Get up out the coop if you won't get loose. Get loose. Get loose. Get loose. Production. T.I. Fizzle, fizzle, fizzle. Your toes get loose. Get up out the coop if you won't get loose. No gray goose if you won't get loose. Facts. He's spitting facts. That type of way, man. Right here in my heart, no front camera, but right here in my heart, I'm feeling the type of way. This thing of goo. No gray goose if you won't get loose. Get up at the coop if you won't get loose. Man, I'ma reach for your toes, get loose. House still independent, distribution Mexican. I don't know what he says after that. Take my word. What up, though? I'm talking white girls, Marilyn Monroe. Then I can take them for the sweet 16. Here they call it HD flat screen. Fucking 5-0. 9 piece, straight 8 balls. JG's, bitch, I got 8 balls. Lil Tune, what up, though? I'm talking white girl. Marilyn Monroe. I'm playing. Peace, straight 8 balls. Empty up like napalm. Got your bottom bitch going AWOL. Got it looking at me like you fella. Not me. I'm double Mustang my Ferrari. Stepped on 9 P. What up, though? Yeah. Yeah. Think I did it again. I made you believe we're more than just friends. Just so duplicate me, baby. Oops, I did it again. I made you hard. Got lost in the aim. Oh, baby. Oops, I've been loved. But I'm not that innocent. But it's clear. And it's just so typically me. Oh, oops, I did it again. I played with your heart, got lost in the game. Oh, baby, oops, I think I'm in. So I did it again to your heart, got lost in this game, oh baby, oops. Got guns bigger than you homies. I got animal all in my flow. Keep your shoes off at the door. Food poison my girls. For the low. Coupon at the store. rat-a-tat last night. I woke up this morning, dick rock hard, dick harder than an armadillo. I could have blown that home when I'm trying to be an upstanding citizen for you guys. I got a lot of kids. Sorry, I had a cough. I do not have a lot of kids. I have a lot of kids who watch me. See how a cough could change something? It could change a lot, man. I would not be good if I was like a celebrity. I'd be saying stuff like that. People would be cutting that part out and be like, dude, that's kids. Homie's got kids. He's got them kids, man. Them offsprings, homie. I'm working that great yash. Man, been there. Don't stop me. Let me roll, homie. Let me roll, man. Upstanding citizen, I will go within the speed limit. No more than that, no less than that. Outstanding citizen, my booty hole. Grey Goose, Cherry Noir. Grey Goose, Cherry Noir. Grey Goose, Cherry Noir. Noir. Noir, full Noir. This life ain't good enough. I could give my world to live. Ooh, shorty, shorty. Make it real or just forget about it. Yeah. I was about to gun it. Gunny. I was about to gun it. I don't know why I was gonna gun it. Even though it was real, I was gonna gun it. I don't give a F. Thug style, thug life, thug love. I'm gonna say thug passion, but no, man. It's in the love category. My feelings, my emotions all be in the love category. So soft and slow. I'm not in groove. It's just the same as the church and I came from you. Got to let him. I pull on you.